everyone, this is Lydia Pandora. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited and happy. I have actually 6 squishy packages that I've been keeping for a while for an opening. There's still one missing, unfortunately. I'm pretty sure I will never receive it. I ordered squishies from Store Envy, from Silly Squishies, Kawaii for Girl, and I think another somewhere. I'll see when I get to it. And I also ordered from what was the name again? Sorry about that. So yeah, the other squishy package I'm waiting for is Creamy Candy, which unfortunately I think for the second time I'm gonna have to ask for a refund. According to the tracking of their local uh, shipping company, it says that it's been given into the hands of Canada since November 22nd. Now, the funny thing is, Canada Post never even got any package with that tracking number. It's the second time it never ever got here, and strangely enough, they always say it's Canada Post, they're too slow, but that's funny because all the other packages always get there really fast. So anyway, let's start first with this package, which I don't want to show the other side because there's my mailing address. This is, I think I purchased this from a Store Envy. Unfortunately, this is old enough that I don't remember. It is coming from Malaysia. Now, the first item I see is the Eric banana, which I will open. It is, oh jeez, it is so soft. I forgot how soft it is. I'm just trying to get it out and it's getting squished. I'm just holding it and it's sort of squishing. Oh, no, it smells like squishy. It smells, but it is extremely slow rising. There's too much glare. Come on. Sorry about the glare. It is very slow. You can literally turn it into a little ball. It's taking its time to come back, and even the tip is super soft and slow rising. So that's this one, and it is extremely soft to the touch as well. For one last time. Dropped it. Real banana, slippery. There you go. Let's put it back in. And now I'm having a hard time. I'm trying to push it in and it's squishing it instead of putting it in. Perfect. Now the next squishy is an I Bloom squishy. It's the I Love Strawberry I Bloom squishy. Going to get this out of there, and this one smells wonderful. I had also the pink one, which unfortunately I put on my purse and I lost it. Oh, it smells so good, and it comes with a little ball chain here. Super slow rising. It's really soft. I also have the big versions. I had purchased it to put it on my purses, but after losing the pink one, I don't think I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. I just don't want to lose it. Now, yes, squishy wise for this one, there's only one left. And it's the Eric carrot. Like this. And I love how they do their resealable packaging. So you can get it out and put it back in. Same problem than with the banana, it's extremely soft. It's really slow rising. As in here, it's not even coming back up right now. I'm trying to avoid the glare, but also smells like squishy. And by smells like squishy, I mean only chemicals. Nothing very good, but that's fine. Here you go for these 3 ones. Now for the next one. Again, I forgot to hide the address. I'm not gonna show it the other side. Also coming from a store and shop. I need to hunt down the exact ones. As soon as I will find them, I'll put them in the description. That is special order for me because that's one of the squishies that I love the most, and I found it in new colors. So I have this one is an Eric cake, and it's the marshmallow cake. And it's super soft. I'm gonna get it out of the packaging. It won't be long. I'm just trying to be careful not to break the packaging. Okay, weird. Is there a knot in it? No, it came off. Perfect. There you go. It's also smelling. There's not really a scent to it. It's really textured and detailed. And there's actually the branding is on top here. It says Next Eric. You can't see it. No. But anyway, it's right there. And it's so very soft. This is seriously one of the softest, most awesome squishy I have. Even though strawberries are squishable, and it comes super slowly. Look at that. There's the part here. Whoops, here. It doesn't even seem to be coming up. There you go. So that's the pink one. Come on. There you go. Perfect. And now reach in I get the also the vanilla yellow one, which is also extremely slow rising. I'm going to get it out as well. The person who packaged it makes me laugh. There's parts that I need to untwist in one way and then switch the way because whoops, they switched it. There we go. So here it is. There's a very tiny defect there, but here, it's gone. It's not even showing. It's extremely soft. It's actually softer than the other one, I think. Smells exactly the same, so it's really just the smell of their squishy. Yeah, it's even slower to come back. And it is super soft. I have a hard time holding it without squishing it because it's just sort of, you know, squishing all by itself just by holding it. There you go. So here's the texture on the back. Here's the texture under it, on top. And you see it now. Next Eric on top. Even the little strawberries can be squished. They are super slow to come back. So this is awesome. I absolutely love these squishies. I can't afford much squishies lately, but when I saw that there were new colors, I had to order them, and then now I'm telling myself I won't order anymore unless they get a purple one out, because purple is really my color. They also, wait, no, this is gonna be for the end. I also got the blue one here, and it's so soft the packaging actually squishes out on this side. I'm gonna get it out as well so that you can see it properly. Oh, this one I got out in the past. It's also an Eric one. Oh god, it's so soft. Same smell. So the top, the bottom, it is super slow rising. I love this. Look at that. There you go. Just gotta try to go faster. I have still 4 more squishy packages to show you. They're not big squishy packages, but still. There you go. And finally, the store envy where I got this also sent me a little extra, and it's a small panda bun, which is sort of slow rising, but not that much, but it's super cute, and it's blue. I love it. It's really cute. We'll get it out now. Oh, and it's soft, and I just broke the packaging. Oh well. Here. So, tiny panda bun, and then you can squish it. It comes back faster, but I think it's because it's pretty small. But it's really nice, so thank you very much for the extra. I absolutely love having these around when I'm getting stressed and I'm not home so that I can squish something. I totally killed the packaging. Oh gosh. Oh well, I can reseal it anyway, I think. Yes. There you go. So that's for these ones. Oh, and she also packaged in everything into a cute pink polka dot bag. I'm gonna put everything back in it. I'm saying she, but honestly, it could be a guy as well. I have no idea if it was a guy or a girl. But since everything is pink, I do have the feeling that it's a girl. Not that guys can't like pink, it's just a feeling. There you go. Totally destroying the envelope. Okay, and rolling on the other one. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, I also received, I'm gonna finish with the other three here, but I'm also received one here. I have no idea where it's from either. Most likely a store envy. I'm not gonna show you the package because there's my address on it and I really don't want to show it. So I'm actually gonna double check to make sure that it didn't show without me wanting to, because I'm not quite sure. Anyway, this is the extras. So I'm gonna open the extra first. And apparently I didn't open them because the bag is extremely fragile. Oh, okay. There you go. Oh, candies! So we have all totally destroyed. That's fine, it's gonna be yummy as well. It's Japanese candy, teriyaki flavored. I absolutely love those, so I'm gonna open it, show you what it looks like. Now that's only a piece, because it's destroyed. That's my fault, I didn't see it. It's usually holding together, but that is delicious. I'm gonna keep the remaining for later. It is so freaking good. Just need to put it there and make sure it doesn't open in my stuff. And there's something else. Ooh, cool, a Kit Kat. Which I think melted and came back, but that's fine. From the color, I'd say that this is a green tea Kit Kat, which I'm gonna try now. If it's a green tea, oh yes it is. Well, now, once again, ignore the state. This thing definitely melted and came back together, but that looks nothing like a Kit Kat now. It is green tea flavored. Oh god. And still as delicious as I remember. It kind of tastes like matcha, basically, so. So happy with these extra. Really? Those are awesome. Thank you so much. And then, just trying to throw this here so that I don't have trash all over the place. There we go. And now for the items that I ordered. Everything is nicely packaged into oh, there you go. I know where it's coming from. Yay! Anyway, it's nicely packaged into bubble wrap. And now I remember why I got this. This is purchased from Ketchup Giri. She left a little note. It's very nice of her. And I remember why I ordered from her. I'm gonna end with the two items that I wanted the most, the three. So we have first the Bear School, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Bear School, Jackie Christmas, apple, which is totally adorable. Look at the tag and the little apple here with the bite taken. It is squishy, it's not slow rising at all, but I love it. I love the texture of it. It's really, really nice. And then you have a little heart. Again, that's Bear School with the tag. I'm not gonna get, well, can I get it out of the packaging? I'm gonna try. Kind of don't want to break the packaging. Okay, sort of good. It's really well packaged. This one, you can tell she never actually got it out of the package. Okay, so here's the little tag. My screen turned off on me. Here's the tag. And here's the squishy. Again, it's older squishies. They were not, most of them were not super slow rising, but I love how it feels, and it's really cute. Now let me see if I can pull it back the way it was. I doubt it. I really doubt it. Oh, yes. Yes, I got it. Awesome. So that goes here, and then we open this, and we pull on this, and there you go. It's back in, almost. Almost. The package sort of crinkled a tiny bit, but that's okay. Totally my fault anyway. There you go. There's also the Piglet Toast, which I saw since I barely started collecting squishies. It's not super soft, but it is really cute. Really nice. I don't want to get it out of the packaging. Technically, I'm pretty sure that's a cheapish one, but it's Piglet and it's cute and it's as pretty as new here, so I'm gonna leave it in the packaging. And we also have May's Cafe here, and behind it says life is sweet, and there's the little squishy. This one is slower rising than the other, but the others not that much. And again, I don't want to get it out because it's just as good as new. There's absolutely no defects. And most of those that I've seen had defects, so I don't want to risk it. And finally, these are the ones that I wanted when I ordered it. It's the Tutu Kawaii limited edition squishies. So we have this one, we have this one, and we have this one. This one. And at the back, they all have little bears. I'm gonna get only one of them out because the packaging doesn't stick anymore anyway. I don't want to break the package. Oh, fuck. Anyway, I'll just be careful. Here. It's pretty soft, sort of soft, but not slow rising at all. And they all have the tiny little strawberry with it. Those were the ones, honestly, I'm gonna say when I started collecting squishies, those were the first ones I was hunting for, and I just found them, and it's been a while. When I make a squishy collection video, first of all, hold on for extremely long squishy video. Unfortunately, I have a lot. Unfortunately for the video, not for me, I have a lot. I'm gonna have to first go finish my renovations because they're behind the wall, the little wall here, which is hiding a bunch of stuff that's been put there because of the renovations. And I have a lot of them that I want to actually donate, give to someone. I will most likely make a contest. They're not rare or licensed squishies, the one that I want to get rid of, but I want to try to keep only my favorite ones slash the licensed ones. So the ones that are not licensed, I will make either one giveaway and ship them all, most likely, let's say around 10 giveaway, because I have a lot. So only one would cost a fortune to ship. And yes, like a good Canadian, Tim Horton French vanilla. Nothing better. Now we have 3 squishy packages left. We'll go with the silly squishies. Just want to make sure. Okay, the address is there. Silly squishies. I absolutely love their bags. Received this. I have a Hello Kitty bow. And those are the new ones. And they are so soft. I'm just trying to find. My eyes are tired, so I don't see the packaging properly. Oh yeah, people like to see the tag, so here's the tag. And here is the squishy. I usually remove the tag. I'm not gonna do it on video. I think I'm gonna have everyone panic like, oh my god, no, don't remove it. Yes, I will, but not on video. And at the back it's written Hello Kitty. This is why I removed the tag. This is extremely annoying to try and do with the tags. It is pretty soft, very slow rising. That's the white and pink. Come on, get back in now. Okay, so there goes for this one. And then I also received a blank one because I love trying to color these. And this is a Hello Kitty puff. And it's super soft. This I can take it out as well, because packaging doesn't really matter all that much for this one. It's not like I'm gonna keep it in perfect condition since I'm gonna put paint on it. Oh god, it feels soft to the touch as well. That's also the squishy smell, but not the same. This one smells sort of like bread. I actually like it. See, it's really, really soft. So that's pretty cool. And it's kind of sticky. Just like I thought would happen. I just ripped a tiny bit the packaging. And a tiny bit more. That's not even in yet. Come on. There you go. So that's for this one. And then I also got a white cupcake muffin thing, which is also pretty soft. Oh, it smells sweet. Oh my god, this one smells awesome. Anyway, this one is gonna get also painted. I got another white cream puff and a white cake roll, which is also super slow rising. And what else? Another white cake roll. And I have another Hello Kitty bow with the tag. And it comes with the little phone plug here. It's pretty much like the other one, except it's all pink. And finally, no, not finally, there's a few left. Of course, I couldn't order it without ordering the purple one, right? Also with the phone plug. And it's pretty slow rising. Not extremely, but compared to the older ones, it is. And finally, it's the red one. The same tag, same everything. And same speed for the risingness itself. And I have two tiny pieces left. And they're J-Dream squishies, which I will not open because they're not resealable. And that's really frustrating me. This is the cutest thing ever. The tiny melon pan bread. Which you can't see much, unfortunately, because it's too small. And we also have the tiny milk butter toast, which is adorable. But this one is hard. Honestly, this is not squishy. This is not what I was expecting from J-Dream. The other one is softer. So there's for this package. There's only two left. Hang on, people. Hang on. Just putting everything back because I don't want to lose them. Because when you're in renovations, it's pretty easy to lose stuff, unfortunately. There you go. And another silly squishies. This one is one of the last ones that I received, and I'm so excited about it. I got, first of all, let me just try to, there you go, the Eye Bloom Angel Bread doll. Now, I had already the white and the brown. I had never seen the pink before, so I just had to get it because I absolutely love them. And I discovered that there's, I think, a tiny change. They're not the same, not exactly. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like strawberries. And then you have the front, which is the same shape. Of course, the pink didn't exist back then, so there was no heart eyes. It is the same shape, and then when you get to the back, little wings. Now, I don't know if the other ones have them. I'm pretty sure they do now. The older ones don't. And this little body is so squishy. Look at that. This... Sorry, buddy. This is amazing. That's Eye Bloom quality, of course. It smells so good, and it's so cute, and it's so soft to the touch, and so look at how detailed the back is. Oh, and here's the Bloom licensing. It is so, look at that. Look at that. Here, little tummy up close. And the head, might as well. I absolutely love this. And the packaging is adorable. Also says at the back, like any Eye Bloom squishy, and a lot of the other brands are now doing the same. The do not eat. It smells so good, this one. Honestly, good thing that they rolled it. And then, this is another one that I was excited about. And this one, I'm going to get out of packaging and make people yell because yes, I'm removing the tag. Mostly because I want to squish it and sniff it and just leave it to be shown up because it's so beautiful. And I don't even know what I just said. Shown up doesn't make sense. But anyway, I want to show it off a little bit. I'm going to show you the pieces that I'm removing anyway after. If I can manage to remove it. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, I pulled the wrong part. One moment. Good. Perfect. So, we have this. There was this in here. And this. I'm always, even if I'm removing them, I'm always keeping the tags so that if one day I want to sell them back, I have them. Anyway, so be long, shouldn't be long. There you go. I have here the Ponimaru glow in the dark pumpkin. Ponimaru. Here's the tags and the little foam plug that came with it. And of course, the one that I chose is the purple one. It smells like grapes. It's so soft. I love the texture of the top. It's really pretty. Look at that. There's a little bat just there. Cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh. And then look at how slow rising this is. It's still coming. Still coming up here. It is extremely slow rising. It is the cutest thing ever. Sorry about that. I heard a noise. I thought I heard one of my dogs screaming, so that was odd. Apparently there might be a tiny bubble of air here, but you know, that's squishy, that's foam. You can't do magic with that. There can be problems like that with them, and it doesn't matter because it's still beautiful. To me, it looks like a dimple. There you go, and oh my god, yes, I forgot I got this. This is already open. Oh, well, I'm gonna show you the package first. There's the Shawa pineapple. And the package is beautiful. I left it open too long. It's not super sticky anymore, but and here's the cutest pineapple ever. It smells good, but not overpowering. It's just perfect, and it is ridiculously, anyway, crazily slow rising. Like, geez, you can come back, you know. It's not even coming back here. And the green leaves are also slow rising. You see, I just squished these, and look, here it's still not completely back. I totally love this. Look at those hen crinkles. Look at that. You can clearly see the fingers staying there. That is awesome. I'm gonna put it back here and open the last squishy in this package, and after this package there's only one more squishy package. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's not sticking anymore. Okay, the last one for this one is the Punimaro cornet or ice cream cone. Now, with creamy candy, I was getting the rainbow one. I'm still waiting for this package. For silly squishies, the only one they had is the strawberry pinkish one. Oh, okay. I dropped something. Let me just pick this up real quick. Okay, so it's just a ball chain with a transparent phone holder thing. Here's the squishy. This you can remove. It's losing its candies a tiny bit, but you know, it's normal. There's only so much you can do. And then you have the squishy here, which is really beautiful. And God, I don't like squishing this. I'm worried about the candies. So I'm gonna just do one quick squish of the bottom mostly. It is very slow rising. Very, very slow rising. I'm gonna put it back in the package. Oh gosh, come on. There you go. I'm gonna put the candy back on. And this also, no, that's not the one. Where's the other one? Here. There you go. So that's for this Silly Squishy package. They actually, I just noticed, they also gave me a little extra. And it's a little bun. And that's extremely adorable. It's like a little chick coming out of a pumpkin. And it's sticky. It's so sticky. Oh my god, it's soft. Oh, it is so slow rising. Look at that. It is so very slow rising. Look at the cutest thing ever. Oh gosh. This is cool. I'm so happy. Thank you for the extra. I'm really glad. There you go. Okay, and there's an extra ball chain here. So I guess if I lose one, I have it. I'm gonna just put everything back in. Slowly but surely. There you go, one more. You gotta catch a last sniff before putting it in. There you go. Yes. And the final one. And now I'm excited because I got it today. I only opened the envelope to check which package it was, because honestly I was hoping creamy candy since I ordered it a long while ago, and this one I only ordered about a week ago. But it is kawaii for girls. It is really a fast shipping. I only ordered this a week ago. Okay, I ordered first of all a panda bun, but this is not the regular panda buns. Look at this cute packaging. It says squishy fun. That is so very adorable. Now, the little panda bun seems to have had fun with this and sort of went upside down, but that's okay. It's cool. Oh my god, this is soft. Okay, it actually feels like, you know, these are done as copies of steam buns. Steam buns are an Asian or Japanese or Chinese, whatever, dessert, which I managed to find in the Chinatown in Montreal. And when I remember I touched it, I went, oh, it is so close to what the panda buns are feeling like. This one feels even more like the real deal. That's a little panda bun. It's kind of sticky, but it's super soft and slow rising. Okay, it smells like squishy. Look at that. And I love how they just redid the concept of a panda bun. And honestly, it is so cute like this. The little eyes with arts and the tongue and the real ears coming out. Look at this. This is so slow rising. I think you can't even see it. That's cool. That's so slow rising. Okay, so we're putting it back in. And I just want to take a few seconds, just in case you didn't see it properly, to show you the back of the packaging. The front is cute, but look at this little body on the back. It is so adorable. Really nice packaging design. I'm so excited. Okay, this is an extra I received. It's a little Winnie the Pooh. It's not really squishy. Well, I guess you can squish it. It's a near squishy. Let's call it that way. Okay, you can squish it. Oh, it's a... Oh, okay, that's cool. Okay, that's a squeaky toy. And, oh god, is this what I think it is? Yes, it is. Oh, I'm so excited. Nope, don't see my address. I'm so excited. This is what I've been hoping to receive for a long time, and I finally ordered it because even if I've been waiting to have more money coming in, and then I looked online and then I found out that, oh god, no one had them anymore. So I freaked out, and finally this website had it. So I jumped on it, and it's the Mango Cutie Creative Mango. It is scented. Apparently, my nose is blocked. Let me just... Probably my nose. Everyone says it's really smelling like mango. And it is super soft. It's shiny. It's... Oh gosh, it's beautiful. And there's the license... Oh, okay, you want to see the Yes, here's the licensing just there. And oh my god. Look at that. Okay, this is ridiculous. Look at that. It's amazing. Wow. And you don't see... I'm not sure if you see how beautiful the color is. It's really golden. And it's so soft. We only smell chemicals. That's bothering me. I was hoping it would be really scented. Look at that. But it is one of the softest squishies ever. Oh, it's still not coming back. That's it for this one. And the last squishy is this beautiful, beautiful mango as well. Cutie Creative. As I said, they now all say that do not eat. Yes. Okay. Oh, it's even softer. Can't really smell anything different. Here it is. This is a beauty. Look at the gradients. Look at the colors. And I don't know if you can see it. I'm holding it. And it's really pressing automatically. Like, I'm not forcing, it's just squishing a little bit. Let's squish this. Squish this. Oh, this is amazing. Look at that. This is nuts. This is totally nuts. It's coming back a tiny bit faster than the other. Barely. But it's soft. It's so soft to the touch. Oh, I'm so glad. So that's it. That's the last squishy I had to show you today. Now, if I ever receive creamy candies shipment, I'm gonna do a separate one just for theirs. There's not that many squishy. It's gonna be a much shorter video. But yeah, I was waiting for it to do my video, and well, I just decided not to wait anymore because might as well do a second video instead. You know, if I'm to wait for as long as the first one, which by the way I never even received, and I ended up having a refund. And now for this shipment I was giving them a chance. I thought, well, you never know, maybe it was just a mistake with their shipping company. But it's doing exactly the same thing, so I think that's going to be the last time I'm ordering from them, unfortunately. But anyway, for the 6 packages, I'm really happy about them. I thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment in the comment section. You may also like the video to let me know if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!